check what I got right here. This is the Nikon D3500 with the kit lens. So this is an open box item. I really like those open box items that you can buy for very cheap. This one will cost around 400 euros or so, or 350 euros, I believe. So let's open it up together and see if it's any good. The box looks really classical. Is that the word? Classical? It looks old school or something. All right, let's open it up. Bum, bum, bum. What do I got right here? Nikon worldwide service warranty. All right. Whew, it's hot, man. Let's see what we got here. This is the battery charger. Okay, let's put that aside. A little strap and the connector for the charger. This is the battery. Okay, quite a small battery actually. This is the lens. Okay, wrapped nice and tightly. Okay, strange little thing. Good. No lens hood. There's no lens hood. Only. Let's put that aside, and here it is. The Nikon D3500. Do I say it correctly? I don't know. Here it is. Ooh, there's not even a lens. Oh, it's here. What the hell, G? Why is it open like that? Okay, that's that's a weird unboxing. All right. Wow, it still got the little thingy on it. Cool. All right. Looks very promising. Nice little grip. Feels strong in the hand. Let's put the battery in it. Don't know if there's any juice in this little battery. Where do I have to put the SD card? I like that the SD card's on the side. Let's take a quick photo. Oh, I have to peel this. Ooh. That's quite satisfying, right? And now for the first photo of my face. Gonna use that screen. Ooh. Some old school Atari sound, just like my cap. Whoa. I like that sound. Let's do it again. Nice little shutter speed, shutter sound. Let's see. Let's take a photo. Very slow shutter, but can it also do video? It can do video, so let's switch that, right? Alright, so this is the image that you see straight out of the camera, no color grading whatsoever on the Nikon D3500. It is very much an entry-level camera. It does focus a little bit differently than the Canon 2000D that I reviewed some weeks ago. So yeah, quite curious. Just going to do photography stuff with this camera. I'm not going to do any like real video stuff with this, only now what you see right now, and I hope it looks good actually. So that's all, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review. Also, the full review of the Sony CV1 is coming very soon. I think next week or the end of this week. I have to check on that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below, what do you think? What should I review next? Or do you have any questions or anything whatsoever? Let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Good luck.